guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing and complete product review of this. This is Xiaomi Induction Cooker. Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Xiaomi Induction Cooker is one of Xiaomi's smart home line products. They also have mobile phone, Wi-Fi router, fitness bands, vacuum cleaner, and a lot more. This Xiaomi Induction Cooker comes in a simple minimalist look in white and black color. It is compact, weighing just only less than 3 kilos, making it portable, ideal to bring to trips with family and friends. Usually, induction cookers are either square or rectangle. This Xiaomi Induction Cooker is round in shape, with dimension of only 11 inches or 28 centimeter in diameter. 33 inches or 84 centimeter in body measurement, and 2.5 inches or 7 centimeter in height, making it fit most pots and pans. So let's see the bottom part. There are 4 rubber feet to support the Xiaomi Induction Cooker, and these grills are air duct with mini fan inside, keeping the Xiaomi Induction Cooker from overheating. And on the top part, there are dotted circles where the heating area is. And at the center, you will find a metal probe, which is the central thermostat that has direct access to the bottom of the pots and pans. And so what it do, it automatically and accurately adjusts the firepower. Around it is non-slip silicone, making pots and pans stable and secured from spill. And because it is not waterproof, you can't wash it. Just remove the non-slip silicone and use a damp cloth and wipe it. After wiping it, don't forget to put the non-silicone back. Xiaomi Induction Cooker is easy to operate in 2 ways, by manually and by Wi-Fi. By manually, it's just a quick press to turn on and a quick press to turn off. Xiaomi Induction Cooker has total power of 2100 watts divided into 99 gears. It has 9-speed fire regulation control that you can see through the LED lights above the knob. Just press the menu and turn the knob to choose from any of the 5 cooking modes: hot pot, steam and boil, simmer, stir fry, and deep fry. You can also set the timer. Just turn the knob to set the cooking time, maximum of 4 hours. Other way to operate the Xiaomi Induction Cooker is through Wi-Fi. Because Xiaomi Induction Cooker is one of Xiaomi's smart home line products, it can connect to your device via Wi-Fi. Just download the My Home app from the App Store. And using the app, you can now conveniently use the Xiaomi Induction Cooker and access its 5 cooking mode, official mode or the recipes, and you can also do custom mode. So that's about it, the Xiaomi Induction Cooker.